Hey gang, welcome to New Southern Garden. Of course, I'm Nathan Wilson, always ready to help answer your gardening questions. But this time I've decided to come to your gardens to help you create a new Southern garden. So you said that your Barbie playhouse, you can grow vegetables?
Yeah.
And you like vegetables?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I don't like all vegetables. The only vegetables I like is broccoli.
You like broccoli? Oh, good. Well, hey, gang, I've got a couple of special friends here today, and we're going to grow and plant some vegetable seeds. Because, Olivia, you said you like broccoli, right?
Yeah.
And what kind of vegetable do you like, Owen?
Broccoli too.
You like broccoli too? Good. Well, let's grow some things. So we've got some pots here, and we put some what in it?
Dirt.
We put some dirt. Oh, you need another one. There you go. So we're going to fill up our pots, right?
I gotta get another one too.
We're going to fill it up. Very good. So let's fill these up.
It's filled. Hey.
How does this soil feel?
By dirt and by little rock.
Oh, it's got little rocks. Yeah, that's called perlite. And these little white pieces is rock that's been expanded and blown up really big. It helps with drainage and it helps with holding on to moisture. So we've got our pots filled up. That's the most important thing. We've got our soil. Now the next thing, look gang, I've got some seeds. Now this, of course, is tomatoes. Who likes tomatoes?
I don't.
You don't? Do you like tomatoes? Oh, good. Well, we'll let you grow some tomatoes. Now, tomatoes, they have tiny little seeds. You see that?
Yeah.
They're little tiny seeds, but in a few weeks, that's going to become a big plant. So, Owen, how about we put in some tomato seeds for you? Or, well, you want to grow some more soil. That's good. How about we plant a tomato seed for you? Can you push a little hole down in there?
Yeah.
Okay, just about the depth, not too deep. Okay, that's good. Now, take that seed there. Now, drop it in the center. Can you cover it up? There you go. You've covered it up. It's that easy.
There's
Now,
so many pots to fill up.
there are so many pots to fill up. Now look at here. We've got some lettuce. Who likes lettuce?
I don't.
No? Okay. Well, we'll still grow some. Now listen, sometimes seeds need to be buried, but sometimes, like lettuce, they don't have to be buried. So all we have to do, take a little pinch. There you go. And look, all you have to do is sprinkle them on top of the soil like this. Okay? Let them drop in. That's okay. Let them drop in and then just press it. Just press it down lightly like that. And that's all you have to do. Now, folks, what we're going to do is we're going to water these. We're going to take them inside to a warm spot, probably like a kitchen window or something. Do you have a kitchen window?
Nope.
Nope. How about a playroom window?
Yeah.
All right, we've got a playroom window. We're going to put that in that sunlight, let it germinate. They're going to sprout up in a few weeks, and then when it gets warmer outside, we'll plant them outside. Well, gang, we're glad that you joined me and my buddies here for planting seeds, sowing seeds for vegetables. And if you need more garden ideas or tips, check us out at newsoutherngarden.com, of course on Facebook and Instagram. We hope you stay well and grow well. All right, Olivia, let's do some more tomatoes. How about that?